We're going to be walking through how to replace a broken LCD bezel on a MacBook Pro. And so the tools that I use to do this are a little exacto knife and a plastic scraper, as well as a heat gun. And I'll show you guys some clips as what it looked like during that process. You just heat around the sides, the left and right. And as this thing heats up, the adhesive weakens. And what I did is basically you'll come in and you'll take your little exacto knife and you want to aim for like a little bit below it here. Don't come in from the top because you can scratch the glass pretty easily on these screens. So just focus on prying it up from underneath here. Pry it up from the left and the right side. And do expect this thing to break a bit as you're doing it, but basically on the back of this thing, there's just one top layer of adhesive behind it. Once you get enough pried off, then I'll come in with the plastic part to kind of scrape off and hold up the part that I've already got like that. And I'll show some clips of that stuff too. All right, that's how it looks. Alright, and that's how it looks like. Now I got this whole thing off and the screen is still working, which is cool. So we're just gonna keep on trucking here and I'm gonna try to clean out this other stuff with a brush.